Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to see who share my Instagram post. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen and your profile page will open up. Now, tap on three lines at the top right and your settings will open up. Scroll down until you see Creator Tools and Controls, tap on it. And here you will see the Switch to Professional Account option. So make your account professional first. Once done, go back to Profile and find a post that you want to know who share it. Once found, tap on View Insights and this type of page will be displayed. Here, by looking at the paper icon, you can see who shared your reel, as this reel is not shared by anyone. But if you still want to know who shared your post, simply copy the link of this post and go back. Now, scroll down to the bottom. Here, tap on Help section and then tap on Report a Problem. Tap on Report a Problem without shaking and a pop will appear. Simply tap on Include and Continue and a support section will be displayed. Here, write exactly what I am writing. Once done, tap on Send at the top right. And Instagram will tell you in few hours who shared this post. So that's basically how you can see who share my Instagram post. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.